Hello, good afternoon. Today we are going to see how to remove the green screen using the program, the online program Kapwing. So it's very easy to use. Maybe not try kapwing.com. You click on the top right corner, sign in. You continue with your Google account. I'm going to use one of the accounts of my son so you can see how it looks like from the beginning. Here they want to ask you where you work, what do you do. This is none of their business, so you just click whichever. It's not really important, okay, what kind of artist or personal. It's not really relevant, okay, I'm never bothering with this. Then you click on the little cross here as well. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video, rewind a few seconds or a few minutes. I'm not going to spend 15 minutes to explain. It's going to be done in 2 or 3. Click on a new project, new program. Then select the 16:9 ratio to have the rectangle which we have in the movies. Now, let's say I want to create a flash news and I want to use the introduction from the BBC or the CNN. So I write CNN intro on YouTube and I'm going to select this one, 10-second one is perfect. I'm going to remove the sound. This is great. So now you copy the link, you go back in Kapwing, and here you have a button, add media. And you can add from your Google Drive or from URLs. You click copy paste, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. And now I have my video and my media is going to appear here on the right. You place this on your empty canvas. And now I have the timeline, okay? Here with the timestamp. So this is my 10-second introduction. And here on the left, you have the volume if you want to adjust, okay? More or less sound, etc. Now I'm going to import my video. So my video is here on my Google Drive. So I could technically click add video, click Google Drive and browse for it in my drive. I'm going to do it the second way so you can see it as well. I'm going to download the video on my PC and then I'm going to upload it on Kapwing via the big box right there in the middle. Click to upload. In my downloads, has it gone? 1 second. Right click, downloads, scanning for viruses. Okay, now it's done. Okay, I can go back in Kapwing, right click, click downloads, no still. Okay, the video is uploading. Now we have to wait. It's converting in a format it can read, and then we will be able to place it right after the first video. So meanwhile we can search for a logo from CNN, for example, Google image or whichever site you prefer. Copy image, we go back here in Kapwing. We're going to Control V to paste the logo and we are going to place it anywhere in the screen. This is our picture, so you can see the logo only lasts for 3 seconds, then there's nothing. So we have to select and drag it for as long as we need. Let's place now our video. So mine is very short, okay, it was just to show you an example of what you can do. So here you can see I press the button to start the recording and I place myself behind. So it actually starts here. So I'm going to right click and press S on the keyboard or split, and this part I'm not going to be using. This is like the rush cut, okay? We need to delete this, okay, right there. So I delete this and I move this on the left and my video actually starts here. The logo is in the background and we want it on the foreground, so we move this piece around. Here, right click, bring forward, okay, and now it should be on top of the first one, okay? You can pick another logo if you want. Okay, this one is maybe not the best, but this is just for the sake of the example. Okay. Now we need to remove the background. Nothing very complicated. You click on Effect, Chroma key, and voila. You have a little here a knob, okay, which we can move left or right to select the threshold. Okay, so we are going to do it like that. I think it's perfect. And now we need a picture for the background. So maybe you want to be in New York, okay, in Times Square. And I want to be in the street, so I'm going to take this one, okay. Same Control C, copy, we go here, Control V, or you download and then you upload with the media. So again, this is in the foreground, so we're going to right click, send backwards. If it doesn't work, you do it a few more times. Okay, so now we have to place everything at the exact spot where you want it to be. So the TV presenter, you can also reduce, okay, his size. If you want to be in a studio, okay, the BBC studio, also something that works very well. I'm going to take this one for example, copy, Control C. Let's go back here on Kapwing, Control V. So of course you need to drag it to make it last as long as your video. Everything should be at the same. And we do exactly the same thing. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Right click, send backwards, send backwards. Again, if it doesn't work, send backwards. What did I do? Where is my, oh, okay, no, it was already backwards. Okay, so now I have my studio and I'm going to place the presenter. I don't know what I'm doing right there. Where is it? Okay, you can place yourself right here, for example. Okay, let's see how it looks. So it is charging, okay, it's a bit slow. This is maybe the format of my video. It's not supposed to do that. I think we have to wait. Okay, there's the logo here. You can see it's loading. There's a problem. It's looping now. There's oh, we can start again. Okay, because your video is here. Okay, I can place it here. Okay. Chroma key. Okay. So it went back at the beginning of the video. Okay, so you can place the TV host right. Maybe it's too big. Okay. Right here, okay, and now okay, it's working perfectly. Okay, you can also add a little touch I like to add is the name. Maybe I don't know if we can use this one. Maybe we can. Okay, you can have, for example, here the YouTube logo, and then you can write the name of the presenter, for example. Okay. Once you're finished, everything is correctly set up. There is one more thing you have to do: export and download your video, and maybe place it on Google Classroom. There's something else I can't teach you: green screen and maybe a T-Rex. There are plenty of videos on YouTube which you can use, for example, to have fun. So again, you copy the link of the video here in the media, still loading, add media. And we are going to copy the video, the link that we have just gotten from YouTube. You can place it right here. Okay, we're going to try to have a T-Rex rampaging through the studio. Oh, of course, this, okay, the rectangle and the name of the presenter and the YouTube, you have to drag it all the way. So here we have a T-Rex. We click on chroma key and here it is. Okay, we have a T-Rex in the studio. Where am I now? Here. And where is the studio? Here is the studio. Okay, and you can change the size of the T-Rex if you want. Where is the... okay. So now you know how to use the green screen technology. It's called the chroma key. Now we click on export the project. You don't have to meddle with the settings, you don't touch anything. Export as an MP4 and it's going to be downloaded on your PC. Here you have the button download file. When it's done, you have also a link that you can copy and send to your teachers or friends. I hope you have found this useful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Okay, thank you for following. Good night. Bye bye.